Fifth pre-competitive skill test. The crux of the whole matter, therefore, is the inability on the part of the government to manipulate the prices in a manner whereby it may be possible to achieve crop planning in order to achieve the desired results, full stop. As long as this price structure is allowed to move in the manner in which it is moving today, whatever may be the policy of the government, howsoever much credit they may pump into the agricultural sector, whatever the amenities they may give to the agriculturists, full stop. I would have been satisfied if, as a result of this increased agricultural production, the farmer was better off, full stop. This shows that 14 times that particular capital is not required by that company, and if there had been some adequate step or measure whereby originally that money could have gone to the public exchequer, to that extent there would not have been any disappointment to the people who wanted shares but who did not get them, full stop. New paragraph. While government themselves expect them to go on tour occasionally and to check the work of their subordinates, it is necessary to emphasize that the presence of the heads of attached departments is also required at headquarters to advise government, full stop, after the fact are known from the administrative department concerned, the solicitors department will be in a position to advise whether it would be worthwhile and prudent to defend the writ petition in question or not, full stop. This department has already requested all departments of the secretariat to create special desks in their offices and put a reasonable officer in charge of all litigation work of that department, full stop. New paragraph. As to deer forests, there were two cases in which owners had offered to negotiate for a settlement, and there were several other cases in which negotiations were going on, full stop. The question of compensation might make the taking of a small piece of land in the middle of a deer forest an extremely costly business, full stop. The first report showed that by the end of the year, subject to the decision of the land court, arrangement had been made to provide for applicants, and since then a great deal of work had been done, full stop. It reaches that station, it perhaps waits there for a very little while, and then it passes on comma, leaving the station behind it, full stop. But the station existed before the train reached it, and it continues to exist after the train has left it, full stop.